Hi everyone! Hi Homework Club kiddos! Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment, but before we get to our science experiment, let's quickly talk about our positive action and then we'll get to it. Today's positive action is all about anger management. So what is anger management? Anger management is when we have that feeling of anger and we don't know how to quite deal with it. So maybe we're in an argument and we get really upset and we say some things we don't mean. That's something we want to be able to control and something we don't want to happen every time we get in an argument. So here are some tips to hopefully help you calm down and get in a more calm space so that you can clearly communicate what you're trying to say. Tip number one, my personal favorite, go listen to some music. Put your earbuds in, put your favorite song on, put your favorite album on, and relax. It will help you decompress and maybe you'll be in a place where you can more clearly communicate afterwards. Another thing, take a lap around the block. If you're feeling that worked up, going to run, going to bike, doing some exercise and getting some fresh air can help. Another thing I'd like to suggest, sit down, relax, have a big glass of water and take some deep breaths. And finally, if it's something really serious, please make sure you're talking to an adult. We got your back, we'll be here, we'll figure it out. All right, now to the fun stuff. Let's go do our science experiment. All right, we're ready to do our experiment. We've got our bag full of water. We've got sharp pencils, and the last thing you need is to ask your parents for permission. All right, let's get started. Well, that's really cool. There's not a single leak, not a single one. Let's keep going. Ooh. And last week we talked about our hypothesis and what we thought was going to happen. Did you think this was going to happen? I didn't. So I did some research on why this is happening, and it has to do with what the bag is made of, polymer. And it allows the pencils to slip in and slip out without creating a leak. Let's take them out and see what happens. Not so leak-proof anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching our science experiment video. It has been a blast. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys do it at home. It's simple. You don't need a lot. And I'll see you guys for our next video. Bye.